What is our project today? I got all kinds of stuff out here. I've got the cabinet door off. There's the cabinet door over there because I'm going to have to be working underneath the sink. And that's where the dishwasher goes. And we've been waiting for a new dishwasher. And here it is. We're going to be installing that dishwasher. And we told them we wanted the plumbing line for it, the extension line, and I wanted a braided extension water line, and that's this one. They have copper tubing you can use from years ago, and I've decided no, I don't want to do that. I want the flexible steel coated line, and then it comes with some little fittings here, and this is the fitting I really needed right there. See, that goes in underneath the dishwasher, and I'll show you how to do that. We've got to attach that to this underneath the dishwasher. It doesn't come all hooked up. The only thing it comes with stock is this drain line. This is the drain line for the dishwasher. Okay, and the funny thing is there's an end on it, and see, this one is 7/8 of an inch, but then you could cut that off right there, and you could use this as the end if you had a dishwasher air gap on the countertop. If you had an air gap on the countertop, then you would cut the end of that off,